This is one of those mistakes that you will only make one time and then you will check every single time you go to use your clippers. You're going along in the haircut, you get caught up in the conversation, you forget to put the guard on the clippers. You're coming along and all of a sudden, oh my, what did we just create? A massive hole in their hair. Now do not fret. Remember, you cannot put the hair back on, so what you'll need to do is go with the same length that you made that hole and shave up to the shortest part. Then you put the guards up and you keep blending higher and higher and higher. Now it's not going to make it perfect, but it's going to make it less noticeable and less of a mistake.